Hey, frumpy pigskin.
You, frumpy pigskin, Rumpelstiltskin.
Rumpelstiltskin.
Oh, that's the best line ever.
Turn it off. That's so funny. I'm so glad you laughed.
That caught me off guard. Frumpy pigskin.
I was looking at this like shaggy, ugly doe, and that's the word that came to mind.
I was just enjoying like watching you make bread. I thought it was so sweet. Frumpy pigskin. Such a sweet, tender moment.
Oh yeah, with my air dried hair and.
You're cute. Good morning.
I told Joel to put the camera on him. Now I get to say, today Joel is working on a commercial project.
Yeah, I got a big job tonight, and I have to go in after hours.
After the business hours.
Yeah, so we're gonna be working some late nights, but I think it's fun. I'm enjoying the project. I'm excited about the project. Honestly, it's really, really fun.
He is framing in a couple new offices.
Yeah, they've got a big medical space in the back that we're gonna cut up into make smaller offices. They need smaller exam rooms, so we're gonna do that job.
You know, it's a crazy thing. Once Christmas is over, it just feels a little less magical. You know what I mean? It's the same decor, but I don't know, that spirit of Christmas just isn't here. And maybe it's meant to be that way because now it's a little easier to take it down. But where do I start? Where do I start? Malo po malo, little by little. First area down and many more to go. And to be honest, I don't like putting these back in here. I don't really like these florals, but what I have, so this is what I'm putting back. I want something different. I just don't know what to put here, you know? I really hate these, I think. Yeah, I definitely want something new, but very low on the totem pole. Totem pole? Feels a little empty, feels a little bare, but it does feel nice to have things dusted and vacuumed. That feels lovely. Well, it's clean, but it's pretty bare. It feels so empty over there. But I will show you something that has saved me is I wrote on the box that everything came in with like where it was coming from. So anything that was on the mirror and the fireplace, the berry garland goes in this box. And then the garland in my vase goes in that box. And that honestly helped me a ton. It's about 4 o'clock. Here's where we've gotten to. You saw how much I got done with the Christmas undecorating, but intermittently, I was able to get 2 loaves of sourdough in the fridge to cold proof. I was able to make some fresh pico. Got the dishes. What Well, I mean, the countertops wiped off. Okay, the dishes is a different story, but that's fine because this is great. This is great. I was able to wash some potatoes, get them in the oven, and I'm actually going to turn the oven on right now. 350. They'll be done when I get home from a wrestling meet. 4 o'clock is the time that I have to walk out the door, so I've got about 20 minutes, so I can kind of get a few more things picked up and put away before I go. I need to bring these snacks because I've got to pick up Lincoln, and I've got Boston. Cody already has his snacks, and Olivia's at work. Just in the laundry room getting some lotion for my hands because doing sourdough, my fingers get a little cracky. We're gonna get some lotion on. I was also able to rotate like 3 loads of laundry. So it's been... I just heard Boston whistle and I wondered why. Does he need me? What's up? What are you whistling at? He was whistling a lady and I seriously was like, what do you need? Funny. That is rich. Fun fact, my friend that doesn't know how to whistle whistles at her family by going woo 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 woo. And you know, I think I need to adopt that because I actually really love that. And no, truth be told, taking the table apart is gonna be my saddest part. I just really love the way this looks and feels. Doing candlelit dinners have been so much fun. They have been just so nice. Here's my debate. I've never washed these and they get kind of, like that. I don't know exactly how to clean it. I should clean this before I put them away, but I also feel like, this could be like future Bonnie's problem, not current Bonnie's problem. So I don't know. I don't know how to clean this. I could take I think future Bonnie's gonna deal with this. Yeah. Not me. Couldn't be me. Due to a series of unfortunate events last night, Joel didn't get home until 3:30. And when he did, he didn't know I set the alarm. The alarm went off. Feelings were spiked.
I get locked out again. How do I keep getting locked out of my own house?
Oh, okay. Well, so we've had a little bit of a slow morning. Tell you what isn't slow was the snow. Just look at that. Would you look at that? Would you just look at that? That made me feel pretty good. Lincoln was so excited to put his snow pants on and go to school.
Took his snow clothes to school?
Oh yeah, baby. What else do you think he's gonna do at recess? Okay. I love that he has that little spark and fun to him still.
He's up for anything.
Oh, he's so sweet. Feels good. This feels nice. We are going to leave the couch just for now because it does feel, even though you walk into the back of a couch, it just feels nice. When you're in the family room watching TV, it just feels a little more cozy and less formal with the 2 chairs. So I think we're just going to leave the couch for now. Isn't that just a sight? Yeah. I don't know what I like better, the view or our conversation. We're getting ideas for Valentine's Day, aren't we? Oh, hot chocolate's done. Nice. You want me to pour it? I'll pour it. Oh, come get your, did you get it ready? Okay, come put your hot chocolate in there. Oh, you like that one, okay.
That's my favorite one.
I washed all these dishes. I'm gonna have you dry and put them and dry. I'm gonna have you dry and put them away. That's your only chore for the whole day. Besides morning chores, because those don't count. This is one after school chore, that's it. Lincoln played outside. I wish I had actually, I do have a little clip. Did you know that I was watching you play with the ducks and try to snowboard outside?
The snowboard would not work.
I know. I'll pour it just because it's so hot. I'll leave some room for milk. Yeah?
Yeah. Oh, now you can spill the raspberries.
Can you?
That smells good.
Good.
I'm mad Boston won't come out.
Well, he was whittling his wood. He's trying to whittle a bear. I was making some bread. Do you have your bear on you?
Does it look better than last time?
Yeah, actually. It
There's a
definitely...
curve right here.
It looks way more defined. It kind of looks like he's wearing those like visors, like the sunglass visors, you know?
Yeah. I was trying to get that one bear look to like that every little sculpture has.
I love it. It looks so good. That is so fun. And you can cut your fingers. How about that? Hot dog. Or did you?
I didn't. This is from yesterday when I was running in the bleachers. Some metal part hit my hand. So I didn't cut myself.
Nice. And look who's home. So Olivia's coming to pick up Boston and they're gonna go do you see how slow she goes around the corners? Good job. I'm giving her a thumbs up. Olivia's coming to pick you up to go to the temple.
Are we going to that in a second?
She's just gonna come in, get her dress on, and then you guys are gonna go. Her tail's getting faster, which means Olivia's getting closer to the door. Hi. I'm filming Lady watching you. She was waiting for you. Aww. So happy to see you. Hi.
Hi. Oh, hello.
You made it in the snow today. Good job.
The parking lot, I thought I was going to be rear-ended. I was just like, well, my car's getting hit.
But it didn't? Mm-mm. That's great news. Good job. So you did good in welding, huh?
Yeah. And we're going to do it like the rest of the trimester. Like
So
every day,
good.
that's all we're doing. So I'm really excited.
I love that. Okay, this loaf of bread, woo, it's good.
We have to
It's
get,
gonna,
like,
yep, you do have to hurry. I ended up putting the dishes away for Lincoln because he was wanting to take an extra long bath and he was so excited to get ready for his school party tomorrow that, let me show you what he put on the fridge. This is how Lincoln's mind works. He was sitting right here and he said, I know when I sit here in the morning, this is what my line of sight is for his eyes. And so he put, bring cheese ball to school. Bring cheese ball to school, Lincoln. So he has a cheese ball prepped in the fridge. And then this is his locker that he has his chips in front of to dip in the cheese ball. And he is so excited to take the Minky blanket. Do I want him to take this and like set it on the dirty floor at school, let kids step on it? Like, no, of course not. However, with how excited he is, there's no way I'm gonna say no. So I just got done doing the dishes. He got in bed. He's so happy. He's so like, and there's just so many nights where I've gone to bed and things have felt chaotic and things have, you know, I haven't been a good mom that day or like whatever, you know, like your mom guilt. And you just go to bed just really questioning everything. And so on nights like this where the kids are happy, the house is clean, and I'm just like prepping this for Cody tomorrow because he takes that with him every day to school. Like it just feels like a good day. And I am not one to not complain. Like if things are going wrong, I usually will complain a little bit. But I also have to give thanks when the days are good. And today has been such a good day. So I'll close the vlog by saying this. I know it's the new year. Everyone has their goals. If you're looking for a good protein, I have a discount code for protein that's really, really phenomenal. And today, Joel said this. I was like, I'm saying this on the vlog. He was like, have you noticed? He's like, when I take my Grunes, I go poo every day. He's like, it definitely keeps me regular. And I said, there's a reason for that. There's a huge portion of fiber that is in here because they're made with whole foods. So that's why we like Grunes. And I have a discount code for Grunes. So if you need a good vitamin, a good protein, I've got you covered. I'll put it in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in our next vlog. Bye. Do you know how good it feels to be happy and to have a good day? Like, I do not take these days for granted, that's for sure.